All right, I'm back on. Okay. Oh, they watching the movie. So watching the movie and stuff like that, you know. So
What's up? What's up?
oh hello. Oh yeah, your Saints jersey on.
They all day after five.
Oh really? All right. So Floyd and them don't want to be on the show right now, so I respect that. You know, I don't know why, but they don't want to be on the show. You know? So as I was saying, y'all, we just doing the big and stuff. Yeah. Watching the movie. All right. So what's the name of this movie, sir? Enough? Oh, from what year I wondered. Yeah, I guess I got disconnected because I turned it. You know, 2000. All right. Oh, okay. Yep. Well, so let me go step over here while they watch the movie and stuff like that. You know, so this is something nice though. You know? I don't want to do this, but look, Mardi Gras time to party. So that's what we doing here. You know. Okay, so this is what the pauper answer. You know, pauper. I don't even know what that word means. Pauper. I don't know what that means. You know. So it's a nice bit here. China cabinet and everything. You know? So I'm just I'm just here by family's house and I bought this king cake. You know, Adrian's Bakery. Yep. So no more king cakes for me right now. Yeah. I don't know if y'all hear Florida in there. He loud now. If you know what I mean. Yeah, he'll be mad for me saying that. Loud. I'm just joking, you know. Yeah. So this so yes. Yeah, so I'll get it later myself. So oh you at the Super Bowl. Oh, Dawn just walked in. So yeah, y'all Dawn don't want to be shown right now. Yeah, she don't. You know, y'all can hear her voice though. So of course. Well, she don't want to be shown, so we not gonna show her. You know. And simply, every time I go to sleep, I watch the Three Stooges. You know. You don't like the Three Stooges? Too much for you. On TV bus. Lift bus. I don't know. Well, probably for a neighbor or something. Excuse me. So yeah, family is everything, y'all. You know. I don't know if Mike's girlfriend live around here or whatever. She do live in the East Love, y'all. But if I know where she live, I'm not gonna tell nobody. And plus, I'm not supposed to tell nobody me and her with who she is. And my best friend's birthday is Wednesday on Valentine's Day. You know, so yeah, that's for sure. So So, all right. Well, who's this? Let's see who this is. Oh. Well, that's Miss Gwen, y'all. So, all right. I better stop this live stream. I'll see y'all later.